from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to show the working of a 7-segment display.
This is my 7-segment display. Each segment of the 7-segment display is an individual LED. This is an individual LED. This is an individual LED. This, and one more this. Using this 7-segment display, we can display digits from 0 to 9. And then also a few characters, few alphabets, but not all the alphabets. Few can't like D, K, X, W, etc. Since these 7-segment display is made up of an LEDs, the voltage rating may from 5 volts and current rating of 20 milliamps. Coming to the pin configurations, in these 7-segment display, each segment is represented by some characters from A to G. Here it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And one more, there is a dot, it's an H. This is a decimal place which is useful whenever we displaying some floating characters using some multiple LEDs. And here I have drawn the same segments using some LEDs. These are my LEDs. There are two types of displays are available. One is common anode and one is common cathode. If it is common anode, the positive terminals of these LEDs are made common to plus 5 volts, and these negative terminals of the LEDs are driven to the outputs, where we supply 0 volts, and when we supply 0 volts, the respective LED glows and the respective characters are displayed through 7-segment display. This is exactly 7-segment. It has 10 pins. Here I have written the same thing. Here these are my segments. These are my output pins. Totally there are 10 pins. It may vary from one 7-segment display to other 7-segment displays available in markets. Say for here I have output pins. Say for here I have A, B, and this is my C, D, E, F, G. This you can cross verify by giving it the common supply, and this to the, if it is common anode, give it to the negative supply here, and if it is common cathode, just give the supply to the output pins and check out whichever the appropriate pins. So these are my common pins, middle pins. If it is common anode, give positive supply to it 5 volts. If it is common cathode, give 0 volts to the common pin. Let's look at a small demo where it displays some digits and characters. Here is a demo which showing some characters and numerical digits 4, 5, 6. Here I am displaying the characters as well as digits with the help of MSP 430 launchpad, and I have user and shift register. We can drive this 7-segment LEDs by directly putting these output pins across the controller. It requires some 8 output pins. Say for if you use shift registers, there is only need for only 3 pins, that is data, latch, clock, which is all connected, which all should be connected from shift register to the controller, and the rest of the output pins from shift registers to the 7-segment display. See, it's showing some characters E, small t, I can't display capital T. These are some digits running from 0 to 9. Here it's small t, cap C, small m, cap C, small t.
Thank you for watching this video. For any related queries, leave us a mail at info@tenetech.com.